Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can solve the issue if you face any error while using PayPal on your Valorant or any game. Then how you can solve this issue. Firstly, I'm going to tell you that is it even possible or not. So it's not possible really, because there is no direct feature to fix this thing. What you mainly have to do is, and what is the main solution, that is the customer care center of PayPal. You just need to easily contact the PayPal customer service and tell them your problem, that you're facing issue with using PayPal on Valorant or any type of software, and they will tell you the solution, that how you can easily get rid of it and use it very smooth on your account. For this, go on the help center like me here, and here you will see the right top of the screen that is a login option. You can click the login option here just like me and get signed into your PayPal account. Exactly, I don't have any active PayPal right now, but I'm showing you this step how you can do it. Click on messages option and log into your account. After you log in, it will be opened as a chat screen in front of you like you do normal messages, and the customer care executive will ask you about your problem, that exactly what issue you're facing. You can tell them whole issue in this message, you can write them, and they will revert you on your official email ID in about 1 to 3 days. This is the solution. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel.